In a temporary standoff, a large male guards his female from two other heavyweights, while a little male, too small to take seriously, hovers on the sidelines. The two males on shore get set to join the fray.
Well, here you go, Jules. I just wanted you to know that my camera's bigger than yours.
Mine's a bit different than yours, too.
Well, yours has a hubcap on the front of it.
What I'm hoping to do is film the male's reaction to another male. But instead of having another male there, I'm going to have its reflection.
It's when males are the same size that trouble starts, and Julian will present one with its very own reflection. He's studying the displays and the intense competition. He intends to provoke a fight. He approaches a large male who immediately responds. The cuttlefish becomes increasingly absorbed with his own image, but instead of a conflict, the story takes a surprising turn. The small, unimpressive male has sneaked in and begun mating with the unguarded female. He's not signaled, nor flashed, nor dazzled. He simply grabbed the female for his own, making every attempt to look as much like her as possible. The aggressive male makes no headway with the mirror and finally moves off to resume his duties. But he's still distracted, still flashing, and doesn't recognize that his female is mating right under his nose. The little male looks so like another female, he doesn't see the threat. At last, he senses something's wrong and moves in to reclaim his female. To re-establish their relationship, he presents her with the gift of a crab.